are here today to open the Speech Language Pathology Clinic that provides a service to our community from babies 3 days old all the way to our elderly. We know that our speech language pathology services at our public hospitals is very limited and there's a very long waiting list. So us being able to open this clinic provides another service point for our community that can be referred to us and be treated by our students and our supervisors. For our students, we're exposing them to community service, to different pathologies and different types of clients, to make sure that by the time they graduate, they are proficient, they are excellent practitioners, and they are ready to go on the community engagement services. For us, we want to be part of the community and we're building that relationship with our community. We also have a mobile clinic where our nurses go to the community and provide these free services. So for us, it is really being part, giving back, and just building the relationships with our community.
So this clinic for us is very important because it provides us ability to get our clinical hours, and not only that, but to serve communities, especially underprivileged communities. So it already gives us that prospect too of what we're going to meet and what we need to do in order to meet our communities. So we're getting more hours, but it's not just the hours, but we also get the clinical practice that we require so much to get into the actual practicing space.
I think it has been a journey. Like I said in my speech, we come from a situation where it was difficult in the department and also how we used to do things. Opening this clinic is more like of a statement of we are back, and it's more of trying to show people that we are here to serve the community more than getting our hours. We're trying to put ourselves out there, as we know that in the Eastern Cape there are not much SOPs. So we're trying to reach out to people that need our services in order to come to our clinic. It's free services. There's no need for you to even pay. If we are doing what we love more than getting our hours, it's something that's going to give us the practical skill to go to hospitals, to go to other communities. We see making our lecturers and our clinical instructors very proud, because not only are we here to represent them, we're also representing ourselves for the future. So that's why I feel like this launch of this clinic is having a great impact on the university at large, as well as the opportunity of more SLP students to come in.